Good morning to all. This is for class 8th GK. Class 8th, today we are going to start our chapter number 46, that is country clues. From the characteristics given below, identify the country and write its name in the space provided. First one, Asia, Jakarta, Islam, Java and Sumatra Island. So first answer is Indonesia. Answer number 1, it is Indonesia. Second, Africa, Cairo, Suez Canal, Arabic, Aswan Dam. Second answer is Egypt. Third one, Africa, Cape Town, Gold and Diamond, Cape of Hope, Good Hope and Rand. So third answer is South Africa. Answer number third, it is South Africa. Fourth, Europe, Athens, Mysta, Euro, Olympus. So fourth answer is Greece. Answer number 4, it is Greece. Then fifth, Asia, Kathmandu, Mount Everest, Gorkhas. Fifth answer is Nepal. Sixth, Europe, Berlin, Darren, Black Forest. Sixth answer is Germany. Answer number 6, it is Germany. Now seventh, Europe, Bourbon, the Alps, Italian, German and French. So seventh answer is Switzerland. Seventh answer, it is Switzerland. Now eighth answer, North America, Ottawa, English and French. Eighth answer is Canada. Answer number 8, it is Canada. Now ninth, Asia, Thimphu, Buddhism, the Himalayas, Dzongkhas. So answer is Bhutan. Ninth answer is Bhutan. 10th, Canberra, English, surrounded by sea, Murray Darling, Sydney. 10th answer is Australia. Answer number 10th, it is Australia. 11th one, South America, Santiago, Spanish, the Andes. 11th answer is Chile. 11th answer is Chile. 12th, Wellington, Maurice, English, Mount Cook, Wool, Taupo Lake. So 12th answer is New Zealand. Answer number 12, it is New Zealand. On to next chapter, chapter 47. It is geographical giants. First one, name two largest desert. A, largest in the world. The answer is Sahara Desert, Africa. A part answer is Sahara Desert, Africa. B, largest in Asia. It is Gobi Desert. B part is Gobi Desert. Second question, name two mountains, highest peak. A part is Mount Everest, Nepal. Then B, longest range. It is Andes, South America. Andes in South America. Then third, name two countries. A, largest in area, Russia. B, highest in population, China. Highest in population is China. Then fourth, name two islands. A, largest in the world. It is Greenland. Then B, largest island continent. It is Australia. B part answer is Australia. Now fifth, name two waterfalls. A, source of water, tributary of Caroni. It is Angel Venezuela waterfall. Angel Venezuela waterfall. Second, B part, source of water, Zambezi river. It is Lake Victoria. Fifth B answer is Lake Victoria. Now sixth, name two rivers. A, largest in the world, volume. Sixth A answer is Amazon, and that is South America. Amazon, South America. Then B, longest in the world, it is Nile, Egypt. Nile, Egypt. Now seventh, name the primary producer in the world of coal. A part coal, answer is China. B part mica, answer is India. Now eighth, name the primary producer in the world of A part natural rubber, it is in Thailand. B part rice, Answer is China. Now ninth, name where these places are. A. Buckingham Palace. It is in London. A part answer is London. Then B. Red Square. It is in Moscow, Russia. It is in Moscow, Russia. 10th one, name 2 temples of the world. Largest temple. A part answer is Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Then B part, largest cave temple, monolithic. The answer is Kailash Temple, Maharashtra. So now your chapter is over. For today till here it is enough. In next video I will provide you the answers of chapter number 48.